Taco Tuesday is around the corner, so why not make this delicious gourmet tacos? Stick around for the recipe. Let's begin by making pickled red onions. Julienne 1 small red onion and place them in a jar. In a small pot, combine 1 cup white vinegar followed by 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon kosher salt, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 1 teaspoon dry oregano. Bring to a boil, pour into the jar. Now, guacamole time. Dice a half red onion and 1 Roma tomato. Mince 1 Serrano, 2 limes, and 3 tablespoons of chopped cilantro. Cut your 2 avocados, remove the pit, then dice and place them in a mixing bowl. Make sure not to cut your hand. We all know those accidents happen. Next is squeeze the lime juice and use a whisk to mash the avocados. Once the avocados are smashed, add the ingredients and season with salt and pepper. Mix it one more time. Up next is the spicy Habanero Salsa. For salsa, add 12 small tomatillos, followed by 4 garlic cloves, half white onion, and 4 habaneros. Roast until the tomatillos are super soft, then add cilantro to the blender and add the other ingredients. Also add salt, squeeze 1 lime juice, and about a quarter of a cup of olive oil and blend. And that's how you make a good spicy salsa. So I marinated this New York strip overnight with an adobo seasoning. Sear the steak both sides for about 4 minutes. Make sure you let it rest for 10 minutes before slicing it. Now to the best part. Time to build the tacos. I use white corn tortillas, add guacamole, followed by the New York strip, and top it with our pickled red onions. And let's not forget the Habanero Salsa. Happy Taco Tuesday! Woo! That salsa is spicy, man. And let's not forget, play, eat, repeat. Adiós, amigos.